reindeer. Can't forget those turn signals. Now, if you're headed to the North Pole today, there are no reports of flight turbulence.
Well, Christmas has officially arrived at Stone Mountain Park, and it is more festive than ever. In fact, there are so many experiences here, you could never fit them in just one visit. And that's why the park is making it very easy to come back for a return visit. We'll tell you about that in a minute. First of all, we are on the first leg of our journey to the North Pole. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
The elves and the reindeer are here, and they are going to whisk us away up to the North Pole so we can help Santa Claus save Christmas. And Jahan has got all the info on how we can save Christmas. They need all of our help, right?
That's right, they do. We need all of the boys and girls, and really anybody who believes in Christmas magic to come help us at the North Pole. Santa needs our help. He is looking for his frost capacitor.
Ooh, okay.
It is missing from his sleigh.
It's gone missing?
It's gone missing. And if we don't find it, then there's no Christmas.
Then there's no Christmas. Well, let's talk about what Stone Mountain Park is doing this year. You have gone so over the top with your holiday celebrations, starting with Stone Mountain Christmas.
Yes, so Stone Mountain Christmas is happening weekends and holidays through January 4th.
Yep.
And so we have millions of lights. You can come out, walk with your family, see them. We have walkthrough experiences with lights synced to music. And then, of course, there's the Christmas parade with Santa and Mrs. Claus and all of their friends parading through on their floats with music and singing and dancing, and it's so much fun for everyone.
It is just a true immersive experience where every corner you turn, it feels like Christmas. And then, of course, you got to have a drone show at Stone Mountain.
We absolutely have a drone show. So we have the Christmas drone and light show. So we've got hundreds of drones flying, creating holiday formations in the sky, all synced to music. And then you've got the light show and fireworks, and it's just an amazing way to end the night.
Yeah, love that. Okay, so if people want to come to a Stone Mountain Christmas, what is the best way to get tickets?
Yes, so you want to go to our website, stonemountainpark.com. You can get a 2-day ticket to Christmas, so you don't miss any of the fun, because we just have so much packed in on one day. I don't know that you can do it all. So it's only $10 more than a 1-day ticket.
Yeah.
And then we also have combo tickets for Stone Mountain Christmas and Flight to the North Pole.
So let's talk about this magical flight to the North Pole right now, where the elves and the reindeer are going to help us get not just to the top of the mountain, but straight up to the North Pole, right?
Yes, because if you go to the North Pole, you're going to see Santa's workshop.
Yes.
And then once you hopefully help Santa find that frost capacitor, and then Santa's going to check his nice list and see if you're on the nice list. And I believe, Paul, you were on the nice list.
Well, you and I both checked, and we are both on the nice list.
That's true, we were.
This truly is an experience you could only have at Stone Mountain Park.
That's true. Our Flight to the North Pole is a first of its kind experience, and so you're definitely going to want to come and check it out.
You really need to. So again, all the celebrations are happening now on select dates through January 4th. One more time, where can people go for the info?
Yep, visit our website at stonemountainpark.com.
Perfect. Okay, and I think we should just end with this. We're going to say a big Merry Christmas to our viewers on the count of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!
And then we should also end with, because we've got an elf named Giggles, just give us your best giggles.